baci come cuore innamorato. Questo è l'alfabeto dell'amore.
Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. I'm Jamie and this is Ross.
Today's edition of Thirsty Thursday, we've got a special guest mixologist with us. This is Charlene Scrimshaw.
Hello.
Charlene, what are we making today?
Today we're making one of our summer favorites for a gang, and it is the Beergarita.
Okay.
So Beergarita is a great drink when you're having a party. You can mix a big batch, and that's what we're going to do right now. So Jamie, we're going to start with about 8 ounces of the tequila.
Perfect.
And
Followed by the container of limeade.
It aids in the lime. Is that it?
Very good.
Oh, beautiful.
And then mix that up a little bit, Jamie, or Ross.
It's about 8 ounces.
And of course, we've got our beer ready to go.
I just think that the Mexican beer just adds a little something that a regular domestic beer doesn't have. So I would recommend the Mexican Corona.
Okay.
So I'm going to stir slowly.
Slowly. So not to foam it up too much.
Okay.
Charlene, you can pour one of those.
All right, thank you.
Okay. And of course, we've got 1 glass. As you can tell there, it's salted. The rim is salted. You can do that if you want.
Some of us like salt
yes.
on the rim.
Jamie and I are salty enough, and so we prefer not to have the salt on the rim. So that's getting close,
Yes.
right?
Actually, the foam is kind of nice. It's a nice
Okay.
touch, so don't feel stressed about it.
All right. So I'll keep trying to add a little more.
I think
I
so.
think it'll kill the. We're going with 3.5 beers on this one.
Be good.
For 8 ounces of tequila.
We may have to top it up with a little beer after we pour it.
Sure.
Sure.
For sure.
What do you think? You can let this foam settle as well. All right.
Okay.
We got some garnish for our glasses. So let's put those on. Do you want me to put them on after or?
I don't think it matters.
All right. Okay.
That is pure foam.
Pure foam. No, it's settling out really nice.
Oh, good.
Okay. And where did you get this recipe from? Did you make it up yourself?
I'd like to take credit for it, but no.
Okay.
Probably just a Google search, Ross.
Okay.
Google search.
All right. Well, here's to the Beergarita.
Yeah.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Let's give it a shot here.
Oh, that's good.
Very nice.
That'll get you.
Delicious.
Oh, yeah.
That's so good.
That is exceptional. There you have it.
I'll have another.
The Beergarita. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.